Are you? Let's go. Let's go back. Hey. Hunger there, hunger. Let's move back. Let's have a white.
As they say, the voice of the people is the voice of God. If we all resolve that this is where we want to have the protest today, so be it.
You can see that's where we are going to know protest. We embark on it. That's because we know.
Àwọn èèyàn ìmọ̀ fún àwọn èèyàn gidi kan, àwọn èèyàn gan-an, everybody gan, kò sẹ́ni tó lè jẹun yó, kò sẹ́ni tó lè fún òṣìṣẹ́ gan-an, value.
And we are not leaving this. My name is Comrade Pastor Olarewaju, the African Action Congress Deputy Chairman Lagos State. That is who I am. Thank you, God bless you. And we are going to see you in the next 9 days.
Let us gather together.
People need food.
We need food. Please let us gather together. Please let's gather together. Where will they go? Not finish.
Bad government must end.
Where will they go?
Hashtag end bad government. Nigeria must stand up for our people. We must take our rights. We must take what belongs to us. All our senators, they are not representing us. Do you know the senator in your local government? You don't know them. They will just collect the allocation to fix road. They will use it to fly abroad. They will be traveling anywhere they go. It is time we say no to bad government. No to bad government. Sir, Mr. President, please help us to reverse the subsidy. Reverse it back. We don't want subsidy is gone anymore. Reverse it. People are dying. There's insecurity. Go to hospital. No drugs. People cannot eat. People cannot eat again. People have become beggar.
Did you vote for Tinubu?
No, I did not vote for him.
Okay. What do we do now?
Help us to tell him that he should reverse the subsidy. He should give us our subsidy back. That's what we want. And the lawmakers should be part-time, not full-time.
And Fabio say, make una go protest, saying they chop, but anybody who want protest, when they hungry, saying save they eat. Fabio.
Well, I am a responsible man. I don't talk to leaders anyhow. It now depends on his people there. The next election, they know what to do. Either what he said is okay for them, or it's not okay for them. I'm just only one man. I know myself and my family. My vote is always only one if I want to vote. I know the right person to vote for. But what I'm saying is this. Hashtag end bad government. 2, let all the lawmakers become part-time, not full-time anymore. Not full-time, part-time.